But the ozone doesn't just affect people, excuse me, the decrease in the ozone concentration, which is what people think is happening to increase the chance of the melanoma cases. In other words, more ultraviolet light is getting to the surface of the earth, must be due to a decrease in ozone. It also affects plants and animals and other tidbits. And tidbits, I mean like non-living things that can be broken down, plastics that are outside for long periods of time, like lawn furniture or tires on your car or whatever. But so the plants, you know, because there's bonds in plants, the ultraviolet light is causing genetic damage to plants and animals, disrupting the reproduction of the plants and the animals, and also the plants and the animals. The plants especially don't grow as big in the presence of ultraviolet light. Also, marine life, especially the phytoplankton and larvae and fish eggs, things that kind of float on the surface of the water and or depend on the visible light for an energy source, are damaged by the marine life, are damaged by the UV radiation. Plant growth, like I said, is suppressed. So it's not just people that the decrease in the ozone, which must be happening in order for more ultraviolet light to get through the atmosphere, in particular the UVB, that does this kind of DNA damage. So we need to understand, you know, what could have caused the increased problems that causes the problems then that must be caused by the decrease in the ozone concentration in the stratosphere. And so to understand that, we really have to understand a little bit more about the type of chemistry that's occurring in the atmosphere. So what's definitely clear is that there's been, over time, more damage to plants, animals, and other things, more damage to people, and the best evidence is the increase in the skin cancer rates. And then, so we need to understand then what's going on in the atmosphere. The Chapman cycle, if everything's going well with it, it should keep a steady state concentration of ozone. So we need to understand the chemistry of the atmosphere at the next level to try to figure out, you know, what kind of chemical change is causing a decrease in the ozone, which therefore is increasing the ultraviolet light.